Hey, it's me, Maylene. I wanted to show you my simple pork tenderloin dinner that my husband actually loved. Just a quick note, following the diced tomatoes, I poured in some water, about half of the can. I try not to add too much water because there's always extra liquids from the pork and the frozen veggies. I'm so happy how good this turned out because it's my first time cooking with Chipotle sauce, which is the sauce my husband Martin uses to make his mom's tamales recipe. If you're not familiar with Chipotle sauce, it's a little spicy, sweet, and tangy blend of Chipotle peppers or dried jalapenos, tomatoes, puree, garlic, vinegar, and other spices. Oh, I almost forgot to mention that I also use taco seasoning. I know taco seasoning is not only for tacos, it's so good with everything. I asked my husband to go pick up some tortillas, cilantro, and Topo Chicos or sparkly water, and some Mexican sour cream to go with our dinner. I had my tortillas with sour cream or crema, and he just had his plain and rolled up just the way he likes it. He says it's like a traditional roll. He usually doesn't like the soups that I make, so I'm happy he enjoyed this.